So just a little bit of anomaly going on here. And the unusual thing is there's things inside of the anomalies. So, the one on the upper right, I can see things in it moving around. And I do have some planes going overhead interfering with the video, so. But just a couple seconds. So you can watch. It's kind of interesting. Kind of cool. The way the one's coming off the light, but look at the one on the upper right. I find that one fascinating. Yes, I do. Cool in its own way. Used to see a lot of stuff like this. Wow. That is very unusual, isn't it? Now what would cause it to look like that and turn into that? Look at that. Alright. Come down here and check that one out.